One of the most ridiculously named cocktails is called the Woo Woo. It's the perfect sweet drink for a day by the pool. It's vodka, peach schnapps, cranberry juice, and garnished with lime. Hi everyone, welcome to today's episode of Let's Celebrate TV Cocktail Friday. I'm your host, Peter Lee. Today, we have a drink that has kind of a silly name. It's called the Woo Woo, but it's perfect for all you sweet drinkers out there. Now, if you're a child of the 80s like I am, you probably remember from your youth drinks that were cranberry based. Things like the Bay Breeze or Sea Breeze, maybe it was called the Red Devil, variations on a theme. That's what the Woo Woo is. That's what we're making today. Let's get started. We're gonna start with some vodka, like all of those great cranberry drinks. This is the kind I'm using today. We just need 2 ounces or 60 mils of vodka. Right in our glass of ice. Next up is peach schnapps. There's a little twist for you. This is the kind I like. We just need 1.5 ounces or 45 mils. Next is cranberry. 3 ounces or 90 mils. Now, I am using 100% cranberry juice. That's important. The cranberry cocktails sometimes have extra sugar and have other flavorings in them. So if you can, get the 100% juice. 3 ounces. Right in our glass. Looks good so far, huh? Now, it's our favorite time, the shaky. But before I say I do that, if you're getting some value out of this video, you know what? Hit that like button and hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Now it's time for the shaky. Here we go. Lovely. Now I have a nice Collins glass, tall and thin. We're going to strain this into the Collins glass. Look at that color. How pretty is that? Now, if you want to zhuzh this up a bit, fill it about halfway, then you can top it off with ginger ale and you'll get a nice little fizzy. But for today, we're going to keep it like this. I'm going to garnish with a slice of lime. Now, my favorite part. I'll do the tasting just for you. That's nice. It's sweet, but you get that peach. You get the tartness from the cranberry. And of course, a good vodka really makes all the difference. So that is the Woo Woo. All right, as always, we will see you on Tuesdays for our regular episodes, Fridays for basic skills or cocktails, and every other Sunday for our live streams. Now, I'm gonna go sit outside and drink this lovely cocktail. While I do that, I want you to watch some of these videos over here. So until next time, everyone, cheers.